today's experiment, we are going to need the sheet that we printed and the leftovers, and we are going to need some with a blank, without anything, and then we need some scissors, we need some pen, and of course we need a ruler. For that one we also need a zipper. We will need to have 4 pieces this sizes. The smaller size is 15 centimeters and the bigger size is 25 centimeters. 2 which are going to be outside, and I will cut 2 pieces which are going to be inside of the pencil case. So first we are going to measure and then we are going to cut. If your fabric is wrinkled and has the edges like this, try to iron it first. If you just have the edges like this and you don't like them, you can always try to cut first some edge. We have 2 which are going to be inside. Now we have 4 pieces. This part is going to be outside, and that means that our zipper we have to put like this. So when we sew it, it becomes like this. We are going to put it over it. And now we are going to sew this part. And if you have the problem with the zipper while sewing it, you can always move it here. Now we have the first part. Now we have to do the other side, which we are going to do like this. You put the blank side like this. The same thing with the zipper you can do here. This backward we are doing for the stable stitches. If this part is too complicated for you, you can always do it by your hand. The thing that we are going to do, we are going to sew from here to here and then here. We are going to leave this part open. Then the needle will be a bit up, so just be careful not to hit the head of the zipper. We are going to cut the ends here. That is because we don't want to be a bit chunky here, to be like very big. Through this hole we are going to open the zipper. When we open the zipper, we are going to turn everything, and still we have a hole here. And we are going to put it inside. All the extra knits that we don't need, then we put this part inside, and then we can zip it and see this is our pencil case.